In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform layers in Luminar NEO. If you've ever added an overlay, a texture, a logo, or even another image and needed to move it, resize it, rotate it, or flip it, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and confidently. Start by adding a layer so you have something to transform. Head to the Layers panel on the left and click the plus icon. Choose Load Image if you're bringing in your own graphic, or pick one of the built-in options like light leaks or flares. The new layer will appear above your base photo, and once it's selected, you should see a bounding box around it on the canvas. To change its size, drag any of the corner handles to scale up or down. If your version of Luminar NEO supports it, hold the Shift key while dragging to preserve the layer's proportions. If you need uneven scaling, drag a side handle between corners for a free transform. This is ideal for positioning watermarks, resizing logos, or enlarging a texture to cover a background. As a tip, avoid enlarging tiny graphics too much, as that can soften their appearance. To rotate, move your cursor just outside a corner until you see the rotate icon, then click and drag. Rotate freely until the element lines up with the composition of your photo. Even a small rotation can help an overlay follow a horizon, a building edge, or a leading line for a more natural look. If you need a mirrored version, use the built-in flip controls. With the layer selected, open Layer Properties, then go to Properties. Choose Horizontal Flip to mirror left to right, or Vertical Flip to flip top to bottom. This is great for reflecting textures or making a graphic face into the frame rather than away from it. To reposition the layer, click inside the content area and drag it to where you want it. Take a moment to align edges or center it visually on the subject. If the handles ever disappear off screen, simply zoom out so you can see and grab them again. When a layer's aspect ratio doesn't match your photo, right-click the layer thumbnail and choose Image Mapping, then select Fit. This aligns and scales the layer intelligently without lots of manual dragging, and you can still fine-tune the size and position afterward. Everything you do here is non-destructive, so feel free to experiment. With these tools, you can place, size, rotate, flip, and fit any layer until it looks seamless in your final image.